Hi everyone, it's week 14 and it's going to be a fun week. We've got a few things going on this week. If you look at your learning objectives at the beginning of the week here, we're going to be talking a lot about cross-cultural communication in a business setting and also becoming proficient in the video software that you'll be using for your final project. Remember, you don't have to use this software. The software I recommend is actually this same software that I'm using right now to record the video. It's called Screencast-O-Matic. It's free, and I find it to be very simple, so that's why I recommend it. But you can also use something else. So it's up to you. Read the instructions for the assignment, and you can decide what you would prefer to use in your final project. I very much welcome creativity, so hope somebody will come up with some good creative projects for us to view. Secondly, this week, we've got some great cross-cultural communications, readings, and videos. You'll find a little bit of humor in this week's readings and videos. Hope you can appreciate it, and also think more deeply about how cross-cultural communication can impact others. The last thing then this week, or no, the next thing, not the last thing, is the graded discussion where you'll do the project video test and post a video. This week, the assignment is to use the Screencast-O-Matic software. So you need to use it for this week, and then in the future, you can, if you want to use it for your project video, you can, or you can use something else. I just want to see that everybody's able to make it work. If you have questions about that, please let me know. I will try to be tech support. Finally, we're moving on very quickly here in the course to the project preparation worksheet 3, the case study paper. And this is where you get to really apply some of the learning. That you get to think back through some of the cases we've read, some of the articles that have been presented, and find a real-world example of companies who have conducted business in the country that you've chosen for your final project. We've read a lot of examples, we've used your textbook, and this worksheet will walk you through that process of doing the case and reflecting on it. Make sure you answer all the questions on the assignment, and when you've completed it, submit it to the Dropbox that's available for this week's assignment. Please, please, please cite your work, and that means using APA-style citation. Show me the resources that you're using to make your opinions. It's not okay to just state an opinion without having something to back it up. Sometimes the question may ask for your opinion, so then state, this is my opinion, and refrain from using the words should, could, those type of words. I want some factual statements about the culture. I want something that's backed up with resources and citations to support what you're saying, because this is hopefully going to be used in your final project, whose purpose is to be used by people who are going out for business in the country you've chosen. Lastly, you have the week 14 quiz. So you have a lot to do this week, and it's getting close to the end of the semester. Make sure you're setting aside time, because if you look here at our table of contents, the week 15 will be coming up, and then you'll be working on that final project, and it's due May 2nd, so that's going to be here before you know it. Have a great night or day or morning or whenever you're watching this, and please reach out to me if you have any questions.